Finding roof damage is no fun, and dealing with the insurance company is even less fun. And because of this, most homeowners want to avoid this process altogether. But why pay for insurance if you're not going to use it? So let's break down why filing a claim for roof damage is important. First, you're going to need to check your insurance policy and make sure that your roof is covered under your homeowner's insurance policy. So check if you have actual cash cost value or if you have replacement cost value. An actual cash value means you get a check for the depreciated costs of your current roof. And replacement cost value means you get what it costs to replace your roof today. And if you're watching right now and you don't have any roof damage, make sure you upgrade your plan to make sure you have replacement cost value. What will you actually pay when dealing with an insurance roof replacement? You will pay the deductible once the plan is approved. Other than the deductible, you shouldn't have to pay anything, assuming that you have the replacement roof cost value. Also, it is possible the insurance may allow you to upgrade your roof from a current 3-tab to maybe a GAF HDZ architectural shingle. Many homeowners at this time should take advantage of adding upgrades, such as changing your current 3-tab roof to maybe an HDZ architectural shingle from GAF. However, you'll still need to rely on your insurance adjuster to approve your claim. And this is where I come in. As a roofing contractor, I will help inspect the roof, take photos, and provide a written report to your insurance adjuster to help with the process. I'll be in constant communication with the insurance adjuster to get everything that they need to help get this claim approved. However, there is always a small chance that the claim may be denied. And in this case, don't panic. Here at Golden Group, we have a full service team that'll be able to watertight this roof to make sure that it is protected against all elements before somebody can get to this project. And if you want to learn more about insurance, you can comment below or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Golden Group Roofing.